Hello everyone, my name is Michael and I am the Crafty Crocheter, and I hope everyone's having a great day today and this Valentine's Day Eve, so hopefully all you lovers out there will celebrate Valentine's Day in the way you see fit, or if you're single, still celebrate it anyway. And so this is going to be my channel dedicated to my crocheting and my arts and crafts exploits, whether it be knitting or sewing, crocheting, embroidery, cross stitch, what have you. So I'm going to focus morely on crocheting because I really like crocheting more than I do anything else. But if I think to do any other videos or tutorials on other crafting, then I will bring those up. So I'm just kind of saddened about the news about Joann Fabrics closing down, shutting down 500 of their 800 stores nationwide, which is about 2/3 of their stores total, and 10 of them in my state of Ohio are shutting down. Two of them, I believe, are within my neighborhood. I know exactly one is where I went earlier today to get some supplies, and I'm not sure when they're going to have some sales going on or some liquidation sales, but I'll keep an eye on that and get some good deals. But luckily, the one in Canton, Ohio, I'm not sure if anyone's familiar with that, in the strip by the Belmont Village Mall, that one's still going to be open. I didn't see it on the list of the stores that are going to be shut down, so that's awesome. Because even though there are some other options like Michael's and Hobby Lobby and Amazon and other local craft stores, but I prefer Joann's because they have a lot more yarn to choose from and a lot more variety of items related to either knitting, sewing, and so forth that are available. But we will adapt. We crafters will adapt and go forth. So I guess the whole aim for this channel is to just give of myself to everyone worldwide, whether instructing on basic stitches, projects. I'll do product reviews. So I have a couple ideas in mind for those. So once I formulate those, I will post those. So stay tuned for that. So please don't leave any negative comments or anything like that because this is a safe space. It's a space of positivity and creativity where we can all share ideas, tips, and so forth. So yeah, that's about all I have right now. Sorry this wasn't scripted better, or sorry I wasn't prepared as much as I'd like, but I will sit down and contemplate what I want to do as far as any content. So let me know in the comments what you want to see that other channels don't provide. So yeah, that's about it. Like I said, that's all I have. And if you see behind me, I'm kind of in my office slash craft room. I got yarn everywhere. I got projects on my desk going on right now. I got a bunch of projects going on at once. I shouldn't be doing that, but I get ideas and I just go with them. And luckily, I haven't forgotten about any of them yet. So I'm working on scarves right now. So I saw this thing on YouTube about prisoners in different prisons across the country creating scarves and hats and toys for people, for children who have cancer or dealing with medical issues or just to brighten up their spirits. So yeah, I have one done already. I can get I yeah. Anyway, I apologize for going off tangent, but yeah, that's all I have for now. So hopefully I'll bring more content. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Take care of yourself and each other.